Hello everyone. Imagine a new order is placed in your business by a customer and that customer is created as a contact automatically into your CRM application. Yes, this is not a dream, this is reality and you can do this in your business as well. For that, you have to just stay tuned till the end of this video where I'll show you how you can build the connection between your online store and CRM application. So I'm an owner of a business and I manage my online store using WooCommerce and I use Kommo as a CRM application in my business. Over here what I want is that as soon as a new order is created by the customer on my WooCommerce store, that customer should be created as a contact into my Kommo account. For that simply I have created the connection between these two applications and that's a very simple process. So if you want to learn this entire process step by step, for that I will take you towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation of adding customers directly into our CRM application is going to work in real time. I will create a new order over here on my WooCommerce store and then check whether automatically that customer is added over here as a contact into my Kommo account or not. Okay. For placing the order, this is the link. I will open this link on a new tab. I will add this product to the cart. Click on this view cart button. Proceed to checkout. Now next it is asking for my details. Firstly is the email address. For the email address, I'll write it as best4545@pabblytudes.com. Okay. Next it is asking for my details. For the name, country is going to be India. Name is going to be best. Last name is going to be customer. 45. Address is going to be 123 Old Town. Next it is asking for the city, for which I'll write Bhopal. State is Madhya Pradesh. For the pin code, I will enter a dummy pin code. Then next it is asking for my phone number, for which I will enter a dummy mobile number right here. Next it is asking for the shipping options. I'll select free shipping and cash on delivery. Place the order from here. As soon as the order is placed over here on my WooCommerce store, it says thank you, your order has been received. I'll open my Kommo account, refresh the contacts page from here and you will see a new contact has been added, best customer 45. This was the phone number. Email is best4545@pabblytudes.com and the tag is customer. Okay, so this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. And now let's build the connection between WooCommerce and Kommo without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Simply on a new tab, browse www.pabbly.com/connect and you will see Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now before we create this amazing automation, I want to talk about what Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here you can share your ideas, feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay. On Pabbly Connect's landing page, there are two options, sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account from here. But if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account from here and then you will see the All Pabbly Apps window where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button and Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here and firstly it is asking for the name of my workflow. So for the name of this workflow, I will give it as Create Kommo Contacts from WooCommerce Orders. Okay, folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select Workflows folder and click on this Create button. As soon as I have done that, automatically you will see a workflow has been created. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action inside Pabbly Connect. And firstly, we are going to set up our trigger right here, in which for the trigger application, what I will do is I will select it as what? WooCommerce. Over here, I want as soon as a new order is placed on my WooCommerce store, the trigger inside Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the event, I'll select new order created. Then click on this connect button. This is the webhook URL using which you will build the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL from here and log into your WooCommerce account. Okay. After coming to your WooCommerce account, simply under WooCommerce, go to settings section. After coming to settings, simply go towards the advanced section. And after coming to advanced, go to webhook section. Inside webhooks, click on this add webhook button. And as soon as you will do that, firstly it is asking for the name of my webhook, for which I'll name it as new order placed. Okay, status is going to be active of this webhook. Topic is going to be what? Order creation, as I want to send the response of order been created. Delivery URL, paste the webhook URL. You can enter the secret if you want and select latest API version and click on the save button. Okay, and as soon as you will do that, you will see it says webhook update successfully and this webhook has been created. Okay, so now as this webhook has been created inside my WooCommerce store, if I'm going to go back to my workflow, you will see we have received the webhook ID that will indicate the webhook has been added inside your WooCommerce account. Okay, we do not want this webhook ID, we want the response of the new order creation. So that's why I'll recapture the response from here. And it will say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether WooCommerce is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will place a new order on my WooCommerce store and check whether automatically Pabbly captures the response of the new order creation or not. Okay, so this is the link of the product. I will open this link on a new tab. I'll add this product to the cart right here, view cart, proceed to checkout. Now it is asking for the contact details, the customer details. For the email address, let's suppose I'll write it as test45@pabblytudes.com. My first name is going to be what? Test. Last name is going to be customer45. Address is going to be 01 Old. Address 01 Old City. City is going to be Indore. I will select the city as Indore right here. State as Madhya Pradesh. For the pin code, I will enter a dummy pin code right over here. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy mobile number. Okay. Now next, for the shipping options, free shipping is the option right over here. Cash on delivery payment option. Place the order. As soon as I will place the order on my WooCommerce store, it says order has been created. Let me open my workflow. It will take 5 to 10 seconds for the response to arrive over here and trigger. So you have to wait for the response to come. Okay. And in front of you, will see this is how the response will come in front of you. Amount is 2000. Status is processing. You can see right over here. This was the item that I've placed the order for, Radiant Glow Vitamin C Serum. You will see right over here the same item. If I'll further scroll down, this was the phone number, this was the code, Madhya Pradesh, name was test customer 45, state Indore, country IN that is India, address is 01 Old City, cash on delivery, order key. You will see the response has been captured over here in the trigger of the order creation. Now let us add this customer into our CRM application, that is Kommo. Okay, so I'll select over here as Kommo as my action application. Event is going to be create contact. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Kommo. We have to provide the subdomain of our Kommo account. Log into your Kommo account. Over here in the URL between the https and / and this .com, this is the subdomain. Copy it from here, paste it right here and click on this save button. Now over here it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'll click on this allow button, as this is safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay. After that, firstly it is asking for the first name and the last name of the contact. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. As I want to create this customer whose response I've captured in this step, over here as a contact into my CRM application, simply click on this field. Previous step is going to appear. Click on it. This is the same response that was captured. Firstly, it is asking for the first name. So I'll search for the first name and this is the first name of the customer. And as I want to add this customer as a contact, select the data of the customer, first name from the previous response. As now this data has been selected from the previous response, data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of the new order is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the customer's data first name is going to be updated right over here as well. Okay. For the last name, I will map the data of the last name right over here. So I'll map the data of the last name over here. This is the responsive user. Email address, I will map the data of the email address. For the phone number, I will map the data of the phone number right over here. Position, so I'll skip this position part. And for the tags over here, I'll enter a tag as customer. I've manually written it over here. Every time a contact will be created, with this automation, the tag will be customer. Then click on the save and send test request button. You can add a tag according to your requirement. I have received this response in which I have received the ID of the contact, that is a positive response. And if I'll refresh the page, and as the page has been refreshed, you can see the contact has been added. Name is test customer 45. This is the phone number. Address is test45@pabblytunes.com. Email address. Tag is customer. Okay. So as now this contact has been added, this means this amazing automation has been created without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now whenever a new order is going to be placed on your e-commerce store, that is WooCommerce, automatically that customer will be added into your CRM application, that is Kommo. So now if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. This automation is super amazing for businesses in order to handle their customers' data and add it automatically into their CRM application, so that if you have multiple orders been placed every single day, all the customers are going to be added into your CRM without you lifting up your finger. Okay. If you want to use this free amazing workflow template for your business, you can find the link of this workflow in the description section. Go ahead and use it. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.